My name is Joshua McGenney and I'm the founder and the CEO of the Replica Gallery, which is also known as RGFC for short. We source vintage apparel, football shirts and memorabilia, and I also customize pieces, upcycle old templates, kits. I started Replica Gallery for a few years prior. My dad had passed away and I lost a lot of passion for the sport, still coaching. Really having that time, I guess, to be self-reflective. I really looked back at why I loved football. Earliest memory of that was replica shirts. And so in the beginning, the idea was to start my own company that would sell vintage football shirts and other apparel. Adobe Express fits into my business really well. A lot of the work I'm doing is always on the go. So having that capability on my phone makes life a lot easier, especially now being able to do simple things like just removing backgrounds. And that allows me now to, as quickly as the shirts are made, being able to create pieces and that I can use on my social, etc. to get the word out. The Adobe Express template feature is great because there's a lot of different templates to choose from. Gives me a lot of inspiration, and having my brand kit in the Adobe Express app is really, really helpful and makes life a lot easier, especially because it has all my logos, brand colors ready in there. Just makes life easier for any quick posts or adding anything to my stories. Having everything all in one place, it just makes life so much easier for me to use any times in my day just to work on my projects, and that allows me to have maximum productivity. Really enjoy being able to share the final pieces I've created. I think especially because, like I said, I have such a love and a passion for replica shirts. You know, it's something I'm proud of. You really don't need to be a designer to make your content look professional.